Hey, hi, and welcome back. This is Swati Gupta, Chartered Accountant. If you are learning IFRS, if you're aiming to clear ACCA Diploma and IFRS exam, a very big question that you must be having is, are there any changes in IFRS? Are there any changes in the syllabus? And if yes, then are my existing book set enough and updated, or do I need to get the updated new curriculum? I'll answer this. How to check this? Go to accaglobal.com. Alright, herein go to your Students tab and Study Support Resources. Follow along accaglobal.com, Student tab, and then Study Support Resources. Study Support Resources, when you click, there are three options. Similarly, you can check it for qualification also. Right now, I'll help you with checking for the ACCA Diploma in IFRS exam. Herein, when you click on this and click on Diploma in International Financial Reporting, here it gives you a lot of information. The two things that are really important are syllabus. Once you click on syllabus over here, please notice syllabus over here. Once you click on this, herein it gives you the changes that has taken place during this entire period. Okay, it will give you really very good information. So if you were preparing for June 2026 earlier, if you had any curriculum earlier, you must have checked out this. This time, if you click on ACCA guide for December 2026 till June 2027, that is like this is applicable till the exam June 2027. Once you click on this, it will open a new document. This document has a lot of things, the aims, objectives, what is the positioning of the entire course, approach of examining, intellectual levels, the syllabus, detailed study guide, and the summary of changes. This is really important. This is something this video is about. You must be knowing all of the things you can check out, but the main important thing is the changes. Is there any changes this time? So you directly head towards the last page, which will talk about the changes, and very importantly, this time it says that ACCA periodically reviews its qualification and syllabuses, so they meet the needs of stakeholders such as employers, students, regulatory and advisory bodies and learning providers. But this time there is neither an addition nor deletion or amendments to the syllabus of December 2026 and 2027. This means the syllabus remains as it is, the way it was there for the last attempt. Alright, so there is no changes. But in case if you have registered 1 or 2 years back and you have not started, you have books before that, really major changes came in the last attempt. If you click on last attempt, there were a lot of changes. We have incorporated all the changes when we prepared for June 2026. We have updated all of our syllabus, the Excel files, the formats. Okay, last time we had a lot of changes. Just in case if you have really laid back like the video lectures and the notes, this is how you can take help and check out, are your curriculum, is your syllabus and the notes and your video lectures are having these changes, yes or no. Okay, again we will dive into the last page. Just this video is about changes, so I'll not stretch it. These words have been removed, added. These are very small changes. All right, apart from this, you can notice that apart from this, they have added another statement which is IFRS 18. So IFRS 18 was I would say, newly added to the curriculum in the last attempt in December 2025, and in June 2026 it was recently added. And we can notice that IFRS 19 also, which is reporting requirements for subsidiaries without public accountabilities. All right, this means not for profit organization kind of IFRS 19. So IFRS 18, IFRS 19, these are major amendments that came in the last attempt. Okay, in case, please check out, make sure that your syllabus is really up to date. Also, one more thing that you can check out to be sure that you're not losing any points just because you have missed a part of the syllabus. What do? You click on, wherein we clicked on syllabus, all right? Before that, there is examinable documents. Even you can click on this document, examinable document. Herein, when you click on your examinable document, Okay, study reports. See here in, I'll click on the latest one, examinable documents. I hope you're able to check out. Also, I'll share the link in the description box. Even you can get the same from there. You can visit the free website. Apart from this, you can connect with us for further guidance and clarity. Once you click on this, all right, herein these are the standards which are examined in the exam. So make sure you not miss any of the question, any of the part of the standards. Example, really, we had IFRS 6. Lot of students skip this standard, but we had approximately 8 to 10 marks of question, okay, a year before in the exam. There are a lot of small standards, but they can hold a lot of weightage because first question is fixed, which is consolidation, but remaining 75% of the paper is not fixed. It can come from any part of the syllabus. That's when the challenge is. That's where you need to be prepared with all the standards. Also, apart from these IAS and IFRS, you also need to make sure that you read accounting for small and medium enterprises. You also read additional disclosure requirements, IFRS S1 and S2. These are also major, I would say, part of the syllabus. Make sure you don't miss any of it. In case if you need any further clarity, you can visit our website cswadigupta.com. Anytime you can connect with us and we'll help you with the further guidance. I hope this video helps you. In case if yes, please like the video and make sure you subscribe so that we come up with new updates. You get to know the notification. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Happy learning. See you inside next video.